Good morning students. Today we will start lesson number 4 and today we will discuss two topics, animal colors and where animals live. Now let's start the first one, animal colors. Some animals are white, like here you can see in the picture. It's a polar bear and its color is white. Some animals are black, like here you can see in the picture. It's a black panther and its color is black. Some animals are black and white in color, like you can see in the picture. It's a panda and a zebra and they are black and white in color. Some animals are brightly colored, like a peacock. Color is very important for animals. They use their colors to keep them safe. They use their colors to hide, like here you can see in the picture. Can you spot the animal? Now the second topic is where animals live. Why animals need a home? They need a home to keep them safe from other animals. They need a home to protect them from bad weather. Now let's discuss where animals live. Bird. A bird lives in a nest. Here you can see in the picture, it's a nest, the brown one, and a bird is sitting in it. Lion. A lion lives in a den. Spider. A spider lives in a web. A mouse. It lives in a hole. A bee lives in a beehive. Frog. A frog lives in a pond. A monkey. It lives on trees. This is your home task. You will solve page number 8 and 9 in your science workbook. Now let's come towards the written work. You will do it in your neat notebooks. First you have to mention the topic, that is animals. Question number 3 is draw a peacock and color it. Question number 4 is match the following. I've done the first one for you. You will do the rest of them. I think that's enough. Thank you.